Hey, JBL has surprised us with a brand new series, the new JBL Grip Speaker, which is portable, waterproof, and drop-proof Bluetooth speaker. In this video, I'll show you how to simply remove the speaker grill and run a bass excursion and decibel sound test. To remove the fabric mesh, you need a flat tool. Insert it between both sides of the grill and carefully pry it open. It's a bit tricky, but it can be easily done. Just watch my hand magic. You need to disconnect the fabric mesh from both sides. After that, just stretch the grill a bit wider and pull it off the speaker housing. And here is our new beauty, the JBL Grip Bluetooth speaker. For the sound test, I'm using the JBL Signature Equalizer profile. Now, let's get into the bass and decibel test.
Who loves me like you used to. Some days I'm not myself. There's no one I can turn to. All the feelings that we shared are in the best. Your relationships are never meant to last.